I'm taking a video of you.
It's a hard thing to do! Don't sass me!
You gotta say
Dude, everyone step back. We're gonna give George the demonstration of the danger of this thing.
It's like a crazy bird!
Just keep hitting you.
Yeah.
It's like a Final Fantasy chocobo!
Like a big bird.
That blood.
I don't like that thing no more.
No, you won't. That's how you dominate it. Nuts.
Teabag.
How about you help yourself?
What are they doing?
Wrestling.
You guys lip wrestling? Okay. It's a fucking sport, actually. Dude, that's gonna hurt you even worse than the other time.
Look at that tail. Or I know that beak could rip.
That beak.
That could latch.
Beak could twist.
Oh, damn.
Shit.
They're made to tear.
Dude, she's taking a video of your first laid ever. He doesn't get girls, he gets
This is
birds.
George's girlfriend. Rudy, the bird.
Like Toucan
Rudy
Sam
likes
on
George's
that
nuts.
shit.
A lot.
She's had